Imagine a backyard where the warmth of rustic design meets the lushness of a garden in full bloom. Today, we're taking you on a tour of a rustic backyard garden that blends natural beauty with a touch of countryside charm. Welcome to Green Home Living. A pergola covered in ivy shelters rustic wooden furniture in this garden. Adjacent to a charming country house with large windows, this space offers a perfect blend of nature and comfort. A hammock strung between two trees offers a perfect relaxation spot in this rustic backyard garden. The cozy log cabin house in the background completes the tranquil scene. A wooden swing hangs from a large, old tree in this rustic garden, creating a serene spot for relaxation. The picturesque cottage house in the background adds to the idyllic countryside setting. In this rustic garden, a vintage wrought iron table set is surrounded by blooming flowers. The charming country house visible through the trees adds an element of elegance and serenity to the scene. In this charming rustic backyard garden, weathered wooden fencing frames the space, guiding visitors along a stone pathway. The path leads to a quaint cottage-style house, its walls adorned with ivy, creating an inviting and timeless atmosphere. At the heart of this lush rustic garden, a stone water fountain provides a soothing focal point. The traditional farmhouse in the background enhances the peaceful, rural atmosphere. Thank you for watching our rustic backyard garden tour. We hope it has given you plenty of ideas for your own outdoor space. Like, comment, and subscribe for more garden inspiration. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!